Hello friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I will show you how to cook frozen chicken nuggets in my new Ninja Crispi Pro glass air fryer. All we need is frozen chicken nuggets, no need to defrost. Air fryer will cook it straight from frozen. I will be using a large 6-quart bowl and a crisper plate. So let's take out the bowl from the air fryer and add the crisper plate. And now put the chicken nuggets in the air fryer. For best results, put them in a single layer. It will make them extra crispy when they don't overlap. And now I'm going to add the air fryer bowl into the air fryer. And now I'm going to turn on my air fryer. I'm going to use the air fry setting, and my temperature I will set to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and for the time I'm going to use 11 minutes. Now the air fryer is done cooking, so let's take a look. Wow, look at these chicken nuggets. They look amazing, so nicely browned and perfectly cooked. You should try one and make sure that it's hot in the middle and it's perfectly cooked for your liking. They are perfect for my air fryer and this amount of chicken nuggets. So I'm going to take them out of the bowl. And I didn't flip them, but they just get crisp on both sides. And if you're a perfectionist, of course, you're welcome to flip them halfway through, but I do find that this is good enough. Now the top is slightly crispier than the bottom. See, the top is browned. Now the bottom, it's cooked. It's not as brown, but it's still pretty nice. So I just like them this way. To me, the less work, the better, because I feel like flipping each nugget just creates unnecessary work. They're awesome the way they are. So hear the crunch. So good. And now let's try it. Perfect. So the inside is perfectly cooked, tender and moist, and it is hot. So delicious. You will love it. We've got crispy breading on the outside and tender, juicy chicken on the inside. This is amazing. Air fryer is a perfect tool for cooking frozen chicken nuggets. You will love it. So much better than microwave. When you make them in the microwave, they're just so soggy. When you cook them in the air fryer, they're so crispy, so delicious. You will love it. For more easy air fryer recipes, please subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. I have over 1,000 recipes on my channel, and so many of them are for the air fryer. And check out my latest Ninja Crispi Pro series for the glass air fryer. Air fryer cooking is made easy. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.